Staying hydrated is key, but let's be real. Most of us forget to drink enough water throughout the day. That's where smart water bottles come in. In this video, we will be looking at the top 3 smart water bottles on the market. From self-cleaning tech to hydration tracking, let's find out which bottle is worth your money. Kicking off our smart water bottles, we have the LevelUpWay glass hydration water bottle. The perfect way to enjoy high-quality, hydrogen-rich water anytime, anywhere. This advanced 350 milliliter hydration water bottle uses SPE, solid polymer electrolyte, and PEM, proton exchange membrane technology to generate pure hydrogen while eliminating harmful ozone and chlorine. With its next generation electrolysis system, it produces high concentration hydrogen water in just 3 to 5 minutes, enhancing hydration and boosting antioxidant benefits. The built-in rechargeable battery allows for convenient use on the go, while the durable glass body ensures long-lasting quality and safety. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or on a hike, the LevelUpWay hydrogen water bottle is your perfect wellness companion. In second place, we have the LARQ water bottle. Ever wished your water bottle could clean itself? Well, the LARQ water bottle PureVis does just that. It's the world's first self-cleaning water bottle and purification system, making hydration smarter, cleaner, and totally hassle-free. This bottle is packed with PureVis technology, which uses UVC LED light to eliminate up to 99% of biocontaminants, like E. coli, from both your water and the bottle itself. This means no more worrying about germs or bad odors, just pure, fresh water every time. Unlike regular bottles that need constant scrubbing, the LARQ water bottle cleans itself every 2 hours with just the touch of a button. Less washing, less hassle, more time to enjoy clean hydration. And it's not just smart, it's practical. The double wall vacuum insulation keeps your water cold for 24 hours or hot for 12 hours. So whether you need a refreshing sip or a warm drink on the go, this bottle has you covered. The bottle cap is where the magic happens. It holds up to 1 month of purification power on a single charge and is equipped with IPX7 rated waterproof micro USB connector. So no worries about splashes or spills. With built-in self-cleaning, powerful purification, and top-tier insulation, the LARQ Bottle PureVis is the perfect upgrade for anyone who wants a smarter, more hygienic way to stay hydrated. Our top spot goes to the Hidrate Spark PRO water bottle. At the heart of this bottle is the SipSense technology, a removable Bluetooth-enabled sensor. In the base, weighs the bottle and syncs with the app to accurately track how much water you've had. No more guessing, just real-time data. Need a little nudge to stay hydrated? This bottle glows to remind you to drink. You can customize the color, intensity, and frequency of the reminders right in the app, so it works exactly how you want it to. Want your hydration to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle? The Hidrate Spark PRO syncs via Bluetooth with Apple Health, Apple Watch, Fitbit, Google Fit, and Withings HealthMate. It even adjusts your hydration goals based on weather, elevation, and activity levels when location services are enabled. And it's not just smart, it's built for performance. The vacuum-insulated stainless steel keeps drinks cold for 24 hours. No need for constant recharging. The rechargeable battery lasts 10 to 14 days on a single charge, and it powers up fast with a magnetic USB-A charging cable. Your hydration needs aren't a one-size-fits-all, and that's why the app creates a personalized goal for you based on your height, weight, activity level, and even the weather. Want to set your own goals instead? You can do that too. Every sip you take is automatically logged into the app when your bottle is in Bluetooth range. You can also add drinks manually if you're drinking outside of the bottle. With precision tracking, customizable reminders, and seamless app integration, the Hidrate Spark PRO makes hydration effortless. At the end of the day, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to improve our health and well-being. Smart water bottles take the guesswork out of hydration, using innovative technology to track your intake, remind you to drink, and even purify your water. Investing in a smart water bottle isn't just about convenience. It's about building a healthier, more mindful lifestyle. There you have it for our top 3 smart water bottles on the market. And if you're interested in checking out any of these smart water bottles, we've included links to all the products in the description below. If you decide to use those links, we do earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It just helps support the channel so we can continue bringing free content like this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video of the latest and greatest products. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.